Hey wine fanatics, Stephen here from the Napa Valley Wine Academy content team with an update on what is new in membership. First up, we have our latest article on our mixology series, and our cocktail for the week 8, was the Manhattan. So Manhattan, I feel, is like the classic American cocktail. It's strong, it's robust, it's flavoursome. Next up, we have a masterclass about Tuscany. So this was presented last week at our Napa headquarters. Diane Wu led the masterclass. There was a range of wine, tastings as well to go with it. It's all about Tuscany. So Tuscany is a really important region around the world. Here she delved into the topography, the grapes, and a lot of the major regions. So it's going to be a little more than your average intro to Tuscany. She really does get involved with what's important to the region and why these wines taste the way that they do. If you were lucky enough to be at the masterclass, I'm sure the wines were delicious as well. So definitely check that one out. Finally, we have another episode from the Sources in the Glass from our friends at Wine Masters TV. This one, they're making some Portuguese dishes, but they're bringing in a variety of different wines from around the world. So as you can see here, we've got a Wackel Riesling from Austria. I love that these guys actually explain how to make the food, and you can really follow along if you wanted to as well, and make some really fun, in this case, European-style dishes. If you like wine and you like cooking, you really have to get in and watch this. Now, if you are not a member yet, you definitely should sign up, because membership is chock full of amazing things. We've got videos, we've got articles, we've got interviews, we've got flashcards, we've got free courses. There's our amazing maps that we continue to put together. So if you want to check it out, we have a free 2-day trial, which you can check out. Otherwise, have an amazing week, drink some delicious wines, and I'll be back next week. Cheers.